Hello students, this is Shovik, your instructor. In our previous video we have talked about Python functions, built-in functions and user-defined functions. We took some examples of built-in functions that we use, those functions we use frequently in our code. Then we went for the user-defined functions, how to define a function, the body of a function, and then parameters and arguments, how to pass values as arguments to the parameter that is defined in a functions. So in this video we will talk about how to return values from a function. Okay, now let me just remove these things. I will keep that comment function, and that way we'll know that it is a video about function. And yeah, let me just edit the parameters first, a and b, and let's c equals to a plus b, and return c. Okay, now if we call the function with two values, and we have to keep that result in another variable, because the function is returning one value. Keep that in your mind. Okay, now print the sum of two variables is t. Run the program. Yeah, it is showing the sum of the value. See, the sum of the value is 9. If we change it to let's say 10 plus 5, yeah, it is working fine. In that way we can return a value from a function. Okay, now we will talk about arguments. There are different types of arguments. The first one is positional arguments. Okay, first one is positional arguments. Suppose I want to just subtract these values, then I have to maintain the position of the arguments that is passed to the parameters. Okay, now this one is right. If we let's take another example, 20 and let's say 8, and it will subtract 8 from 20, and it will give us the result. As we are doing positional argument, the position of the argument will be fixed. Okay, so this is it. This is called positional argument. Okay, the next one is default argument. Now we'll learn the next type of argument, which is default argument. Okay, what is default argument? If we take one argument, suppose we are specifying the value of one argument, it will become the default value of b. Okay, now if we pass only 20, it will be the value of a. It will be the value of a only. Learn the program. See, 20 minus 10, value of a. Now if I want to change the default value of b, then just we can pass another value for b, and it will override the default value of b. But this is called default function, default argument of a function. Okay, and third type of argument is keyword argument. Third type of argument is keyword argument. Let's find out what is it. I have to change this thing a bit to demonstrate the keyword argument. Okay, now if I do print first value is A and second value is B. Okay, now if I pass 20 for A and 10 for B, it will show you a result. Okay, let's take another example using age and name. It will be proper then, age and name. Okay, it's my age is and my name is. Okay, so first value should be the age and second value should be the name, Tony. Okay, change this also, I forgot to change, don't mind. Yeah, first value is for the age and the next one is for the name. See, my age is 20 and my name is Tony. Okay, now if I just interchange these values, first I pass Tony the name and second the age, it will run the program but not in a proper way. My age is Tony, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, so what we will do in this type of situation, we will use keyword arguments. If we specify name equals to Tony and then age equals to 20, then see, my age is 20 and my name is Tony. This is how we use keyword arguments in our code. Okay, and the last one is variable length argument. Let's find out. So in variable length argument, it is very interesting actually. Sometimes we need to take arguments as a variable number of variables actually. We can pass variable number of arguments to a function. It is not specified as it has been specified for other types of arguments, but we can pass as many as arguments as a variable. Okay, let's take an example. If I let's delete this and for that for variable length argument we will use the asterisk. The asterisk here is for the variable length. Okay, now my shift button is not working, I don't know why this is happening to me. Okay, the symbol asterisk symbol is for variable length. Okay, let's take one example then. Total equals to let's take it as 0 and for I in n, total equals to total plus I, and let's print this out. Print the sum is total. Okay, so if we now call the function demo, let's take just keep it blank. We are not sending anything. Then demo, we are sending one values. Then demo, we are sending two values. Demo, now sending three values. Okay, run the program. See, the sum is first we did not send any arguments here, so we kept this section blank. As we said, in argument length, variable length argument, we can pass the argument as the length of the variable. Okay, and for that we use asterisk. So in our first call, we did not send any argument here. We kept it blank. Then just one argument, one value, and the sum is 10 obviously. Then two values and so on. Okay, this is how we use variable length arguments. Okay, now this is all about arguments and returning values from a function. In my next video, I'll continue with this topic, Python functions. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any doubt, then you can comment below the comment section. Okay, so that's it. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.